This study uses radiocarbon signatures in dissolved inorganic carbon to trace water mass movements and mixing in Marguerite Bay and Ryder Bay on the West Antarctic Peninsula. We specifically tracked the behaviour of upper circumpolar deep water, which is believed to be changing in concert with the ongoing climate change in this region. Upper circumpolar deep water is warm and nutrient-rich, so its changing behaviour may have profound implications for coastal ecosystems, regional oceanography, and continuing sea ice losses and melting of marine terminating glaciers in this region of rapid climate change.